2024 has been a busy year for all of us. There is a common thread across these many experiences, and that's the importance of working together and closing ranks in the face of challenges. The collective efforts of Team Singapore have made all the difference, be it in overcoming crises, supporting one another in times of need, or striving for excellence on the global stage. We must carry this Team Singapore spirit into 2025 and beyond. That was why we embarked on the Forward Singapore exercise, to renew our social compact, strengthen our solidarity, and navigate uncertainties confidently as one united people. Through Forward Singapore, we will revise our policies, reset attitudes and mindsets, and refresh the Singapore dream. We will build a fairer and more inclusive society where everyone is assured of opportunities to success, regardless of their starting point. Where every one of us can realize our dreams and live with dignity, security, and hope of a brighter future. We have taken major steps towards these goals. Housing policies have been updated to make HDB flats more affordable. The Majulah package has enhanced retirement adequacy, especially for those in their 50s and early 60s. New programs like Healthier SG and Age Well SG are providing seniors better support. We are reforming our approach towards education and investing heavily in skills future to help every Singaporean, including mature workers, develop to their full potential. This is just the beginning. We will do more. I will set out the next steps of Forward Singapore in Budget 2025. We will sharpen our economic competitiveness to create exciting opportunities and good jobs for Singaporeans. We will continue to cushion the impact of cost of living increases. We will provide more targeted help to those who find it harder to cope, especially older people and lower income groups. But we will not neglect other segments, including the middle income and middle-aged, who are caring for both elderly parents and young children. Every citizen has a role and place in our society. No one will be left behind because we are all in this together. 2025 marks the 60th anniversary of Singapore's independence. While there is occasion to celebrate, this milestone is really a time for reflection on our shared values, who we are, and what we stand for. Importantly, it is an opportunity to envision how we can shape our shared future together. At 60, we are still a young nation. Our path forward is not predetermined. Singapore today looks vastly different from when we first began, or even just 2 decades ago. And that's because we do not settle for the status quo. We keep pushing boundaries and striving to do better. Our journey ahead will not be short of challenges, but we have never allowed ourselves to be browbeaten or discouraged. Like the older generations, younger Singaporeans too showed resilience and fighting spirit during the pandemic. Thanks to the commitment of their teachers and support from their parents, they adapted to the COVID measures, took them in stride, and continued to thrive. Each time I meet and engage with Singaporeans, old and young, I feel reassured and confident about our future. We know deep in our bones that Singapore was built against the odds. Together, we turned what seemed impossible into reality. We sustain this miracle through faith in our fellow citizens and our shared purpose. Every generation has done its part, strived for excellence, and made their tomorrow better than today. Now, it is our turn to blaze a bold path forward and take Singapore to even greater heights. So I wish all Singaporeans a very happy New Year and a better 2025 ahead.